Beauty. As you can see, it's a Labor Day. Today's just like a cool little laid back chill kind of day. Nothing too special, just a hang out with me kind of day. So I made some barbecue ribs today and I'm gonna take them to my dad's house to go make the sides. So it's just a chill kind of day, so come hang out with me. Alright y'all, just fired up my pits. Ooh, this blaze getting high. Put some ribs on. Alright y'all, ribs is on, looking good, looking good. Where it's about to be gone. Y'all, it's pouring down, raining. All the lake about to overflow to the grass. My mama said she about to come get her some new ribs. And it is pouring down. I don't know if it's gonna be raining today, but whatever. Girl, food. Yeah. Whole collection. Stella Rose. Let's see what I'm gonna drink today, y'all. Hey, go Aaliyah. Ooh, look at her. She done got better, y'all. Down, girl. Spin that thing. Oh. She get crazy with it. Oh. You about to fall. Bye. So y'all, we just enjoying our day. Ooh, the sun is so bright in my eyes, y'all. I can't even see. But yeah, we're having a fun day here at my dad's house. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna end it right there. I had a good day today, y'all. Good family day or whatever. My mom is here. She's gonna spend a night with me tonight. So you guys, please hit share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, you are beautiful. Bye guys. Hey, what's up y'all? I just got out of the shower. Aaliyah's downstairs doing her virtual learning. Today was the first day back, y'all. She's officially in 7th grade. Time is going by so fast. Yesterday was Labor Day or whatever. We just hung out with the family. I put some ribs on the pit or whatever. So I'm about to make me some chili. I don't know, I just got a taste for some chili. So we're pretty much gonna chill today. I really do need some candles, so I might go shopping for that later. Or I might just chill at home and do that another day. I'm not sure yet, but just hang out with us, y'all. How was school?
It was good.
You done school all night with that thing on your head?
Hell no!
Just ghetto. The ghetto-ness.
We're on lunch break right now.
So y'all on break. Oh my God.
For like half an hour.
So what time y'all gonna be done?
What?
With school period, like the day?
2, 3.
Oh, so y'all getting out earlier than you do at normal school. Oh no, you used to get out at what time? 3:15, something like that?
Yeah. I used to get out at 3:15, but I would come home at 4 because the bus and all that stuff.
Well, I would pick you up.
Oh yeah, yeah, she'll pick me up too.
Most of the time I picked you up. You only rode the bus maybe 2 weeks, maybe.
Because they be paying $30 and stuff.
Yeah, we gotta pay for our buses in this area, which is ridiculous. So I just
and they buses is towed up.
price.
And the ones that you don't have to pay are a luxury. Like, what? That doesn't make any sense.
Nobody should have to pay for buses, period, unless it's like after school activities or something like that. But just to get home, that's ridiculous. But yeah. Okay, y'all, for some reason I had a taste for some chili. Yes, chili. Don't judge me. Judge your mammy. But I don't care what time of year it is. Like, I eat chili anytime. So I just got some yellow onions cut up and some green onion cut up, and I'm about to put that on the stove. I'm gonna show y'all the quick way on how I make my chili. You can do yours the way you want to, but this is how I do mine. I just get the pinto beans in a can. You can get the bag, but I don't have time for all that. And I get the chili powder mix, the boiler bag rice. I got diced roasted garlic garlic tomatoes and tomato sauce. And then you use your ground meat and put that in the pot. Put all these ingredients in there, and bam, it's not even gonna take no more than an hour. So yeah, that's my version of making my chili. I'm about to put my onions in there. I'm using black pepper, Tony seasoning, garlic, and parsley. I'm about to put that inside. What I did was add everything to the pot. I put the ground meat. I mean, you would really use like chili meat, but it don't matter. It's all the same. And I put the roasted tomatoes, and I put the pinto beans, and I put the chili seasoning. And so, yeah, we're just going to put this on medium heat, medium to low, and let it cook for about an hour, and it'll be time to eat by the time I come back. Finished. This is the chili. I put some cheese on top, and it got rice in there, and I got some crackers I'm going to eat on the side. So I'm about to eat this in bed and take me a little nap. So, yeah, that's it, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm about to go into the store. About to go into Ross and find some candles. I don't even know why I came here. I don't know if it's quarantine going on, but they don't got shit. Nothing. I like these little things. They cute. But look at the shelves. What the fuck going on? I gotta go somewhere else, because I don't look like I'm gonna find no candles up in here. Not seeing nothing. Look at these shelves. Look at these shelves. This all the candles they got. This the selection. This one smells good. Huh? You don't like this?
It smells like shampoo.
No, it smells fresh. I don't know if I want this one or that one. I'm gonna go with this one. Cute little picture. Look at a little bag. That's all right. This is cute. So I have a little baby boo in his room. So y'all, that line was like a little bit too long for me, so I didn't end up getting that thing. See, that's the good thing about working at night. You can go to the stores early in the morning when nobody's there. But I guess this is about 7 o'clock right now. Everybody in the damn school, so I can't do it. Can't do them lines. All right, y'all know what to do. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember, you are beautiful. Bye, y'all.